Today we are studying disease and its causes. Disease and its causes. Disease and its causes. And in disease and its causes, today we study about the acute and chronic diseases. Acute and chronic diseases and chronic diseases. You are familiar to some diseases as headache, cholera, typhoid, common cold, elephantiasis, tuberculosis, heart diseases, diabetes, cancer, etc. etc. These are a few diseases. And you know that some diseases last for only a short period of time. As you know that a headache, simply you have headache, so you take any simple tablets and your headache is over. And if you have the pain in the body, then also it is over very soon. And if you have common cold, that also lasts for 3-4 days and this is the over. So these diseases last for only a very short periods of time. While on the other hand, some diseases like tuberculosis, elephantiasis, heart diseases, diabetes, these diseases last for a very long time, even for the whole life. So diseases may be categorized into two categories. One is the acute disease and chronic disease. So we can write here the diseases, last for only a short period of time, or called acute diseases. So the diseases last for only a short period of time are called acute diseases. Acute diseases do not cause, so acute diseases do not cause major effect on health. Major acute diseases do not cause major health, major effect on health as these diseases over very soon. Example: examples of acute diseases. Examples of diseases are cough, common cold, cholera, typhoid, etc. So these are the examples of the chronic diseases. On the other hand, the other hand, the diseases last for a very long periods of time even as much as lifetime are called chronic diseases, are called chronic diseases. Here we can write by this way: acute diseases. On the other hand, the diseases last for a very long time or long periods of time, even as much as lifetime, are called chronic diseases. These diseases cause major effect on health. Major effect on health. Examples are examples of chronic diseases are elephantiasis, or elephantiasis, tuberculosis, tuberculosis, cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, and etc. So these diseases last for a very long periods of time, even as much as lifetime, are called chronic diseases. So two type of diseases: chronic and acute diseases. This chronic diseases cause major effect on the health. Suppose one person is suffered from the diabetes. In the diabetes, glucose is not, surplus amount of glucose is not converted into the glycogen. So in the blood of the patient, the glucose amount remains. More glucose levels in the blood of the patient. And in this disease, patient becomes weak, and this diabetes affect on other body parts also. It is effect on the eye, it affect on the kidney, etc. So these diseases last for a very long period of time, and they causes the adversely effect on the health of the body. So now chronic diseases and poor health. 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 If we are suffered from the diseases like cholera, or if we are suffered from acute diseases, we are suffered from the acute diseases. Acute, if we are suffering from acute disease like cholera, we are suffered from acute disease like cholera, or common cold. Then what happens? Within 2 or 3 or 4 days, we become cured. This disease is over within 3 or 4 days, and our body regain itself at the previous condition. There is no any effect on our body. Our body recovers very soon. There is no such effect like loss weight. No effect, no such effect like no such effect like weight loss. No such effect like weight loss, and we do not feel and we do not feel tiredness. We do not feel tiredness all the times. All the times. After 3 or 4 days, disease is over, and after the disease, when disease is over, then there is no loss of the body weight. Body regain at the weight, and we do not feel tiredness all the time. But in case of chronic diseases, in case of chronic diseases, in case of chronic diseases like diabetes, in the chronic diseases like diabetes, since this disease lasts for the very long periods of the time, even for the lifetime. So in this disease, what happens? There is the loss of body weight. There is the loss of body weight. Body weight loss, and we feel tiredness. We feel and we feel tiredness all the time, all the time. So this happens in chronic disease. When disease starts, we lose our the body weight, and we feel tiredness all the time, since disease lasts for a very long time. So in this way, we are likely to have, so inside we can say that we are likely to have, we have likely to have prolonged so we have likely to have prolonged general poor health general poor health if we have chronic diseases. We have likely to have prolonged general poor health if we have chronic diseases. Chronic diseases have prolonged chronic diseases have chronic diseases have drastic long chronic diseases have drastic long-term effect on health in comparison to effect on health as compared to acute diseases. So in this way, if we see both the diseases, acute as well as chronic diseases, in one word, that acute diseases do not have long-term health effect on the health, while on the other hand, chronic diseases has long-term adversely effect on the health of the individual. That's all. That's for today. Thank you.